Hello. Today I'm feeling a little bit distracted by social nets and other stuff, and I found that making video disciplines me, and I really need to do some boring work for me today. So I decided to record it so I'm not distracted by anything else during that time. During the recording, I am going to be as fast as I can. And today I will cover the character creation screen. So, in my previous project, I almost destroyed, and now there are just remains that I'm reviving. I had all of these screens, which I have to remake completely right now. For example, I already remade a main menu this morning. Just I will show you it to not get back. Here is Graphy. It's an asset that shows the FPS. It should be somewhere available for free in Unity Asset Store. Here are some simple buttons and the scene for the background, and I have really just two buttons now. One starts new scene and one quits the application. Important stuff here is that I have log FPS, a very simple script that is freezes up FPS by 60 at the very beginning of the game. That's very important so that Unity doesn't eat all available resources from your video card, and the 60 is pretty good FPS, believe me. And then if, for example, you have not locked 150 or 200, if they will be not locked, the FPS will be jump drastically from one position to another, and that can be noticeable. So 60 is great, 30 even better. But for some reasons users don't like when it's locked to 30. The canvas here is really simple. So I use game creator buttons. So for example, for the welcome panel, there is only the text and one button inside that says that on the click I need to enable main menu and disable that panel. And in the main menu, on the button new game, I have just a simple load scene, so it's nothing special here. The layout is pretty simple also. So let's revive our another scene. Yeah, so I'm not really making it much for really people. I'm making it for myself, just to be motivated. So previously I had let me think. So I previously had gender option. I mean, pick gender option, skin tone, then hair color, and then there were beard, brows, and scars, I think. But in my current system, it will be kind of hard to implement all armor, both for male and female characters. So I'm going to lock myself into the male character. I hope that for the indie project it's not a big deal. I hope. Yeah, let's start with the UI. I guess let's start with the UI. So for the UI, I need let's see what we have in the player main component. So we have nope, that's not it. It's a head covering. So we have hair. We have okay, helmet, back, shoulder, blah blah blah, hips, not needed. This is the female parts. So okay, hair is a unisex, I got it. Okay, we have the face itself, I guess. Yeah, that's the face itself. Oh, I don't want to make the color of the tattoo here really, but okay. Face itself. Not it. Eyebrows we have. I'm making notes to not forget it. We have facial hair and beard. And I guess that's it. So beard, eyebrows, face itself, hair. Also we have skin color, hair color, and skin color, and the tattoo color. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 settings. That's actually bad. It's too much for the screen size, I guess. Let me discard those changes. Let me get back to the 2D, go to the canvas and see what can we do here. Imagine I have 190/20. Okay. Pretty big. Okay, I think it's possible within the one within the one screen. So let me see what we have here. So we have initial panel, and we have the footer panel here. Let me make it lower so that we have actual place, and the initial picker should be bigger. There is a layout group with the cell size that is fixed. Okay. By what is it fixed? Okay, that's that one. Initial picker and the initial configurator. Okay. Gender panel. We don't want to have the gender panel. So again, we have hair, face, eyebrow, beard. So we need face control. Let's start with the face control. I think it should be the same as the hair I have here. The hair panel, and let me move it here and say that it should be face, left button and the right button. I have a bunch of scripts from the previous project. And these are actually the old game creator scripts. So I have my old game creator deleted, so that's why they are empty. And I'm very lucky that it's not being that it doesn't prevent my project from. Oh, that's actually nice. Doesn't prevent my project from building. Great, just great arrows. And here I need the text. Here I need the text. I guess it should be text. I'm using Text Mesh Pro. It scales well. It just scales well. Let's say 36. 36, yeah, no? Should be. Nope, not 36, and probably the. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's delete that. Text gender, display face. Let's make it bold, probably, yes. Liberation Sans is not what I need, I guess. Cinzel. Yeah, Cinzel is fine. I bought it, as far as I remember, so don't worry. Okay, that's something. Ho ho, that's actually something. I think I'm okay with that. And I don't need the body types that way it is displayed. Let me see. Where is it? Oh, okay, initial picker. Okay, I don't need the candle panel, but I do need skin tone and hair color. Skin tone and hair color, then a hair panel. I think I can delete it. And face control. Name it face control. Then face, eyebrows, beard, hair. Face, eyebrows, beard, hair. And the skin, hair, and tattoo color. So it will look something like this. And of course I need less cell size. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Let me think. I can have the face and color control combined. That could do the trick, but they are not very well aligned. So what I want to do is to change the size of it and see if it will be enough. Not 0. for some reason it is displayed not the way I want it to be, and it's not the matter of the font size. Maybe also Cinzel. Yeah, it's more. Probably there is something with this, in that panel, and the height and the not very easy, really not very easy. Tiling offset. I don't have offset here, but I definitely have it. Oh, that's it. That's it. Margins. Margins. Ah, that's good. I like it. And the display face should be somewhere here. Yep, that's nice. And for the skin tone, I also need to make some changes. Let's see what the changes do I need to make. Also the Cinzel, also the margins, I guess, skin tone, and then it doesn't align the way the face is aligned, so I need to change it. Let's see. So I actually can do this thing. I can just copy paste all the settings and then change the settings I need. Okay, that's it. That's the exact position. I think I can do it from till here. And of course, for these buttons, they should be less in the size. Actually, a grid would be nice, but oh, no. I just want the last one to be duplicated. Okay, let's play by the Unity way. I'm creating empty game object. Skin tone text and the game object and grid layout group. Adding the grid layout group. Grid layout group. Okay, and then I'm moving everything here, and now I have my grid layout group. Let me see, text, gender. Okay, so I need to change my cell size, probably to 50, to 60, no, to 70. Yeah, let's say 70. And the spacing by X should be more. Okay, let's go with 60 by 60 and 50 spacing, and make it middle center. And that thing is going to be aligned by the right. And this arrow doesn't align perfectly with this, so it should be like here. And I guess that's it. Let's see how it will look like with the real text. So face, then hair, then eyebrows. I said eyebrows, then beard. By the way, there could be a tiny problem that in the future I will need to have my game localized, and I don't have the localized text field. So probably in my next video I'm going to cover localization, because localization is better to be from the beginning of the project actually, otherwise you will need to search any text you added, and but now you can actually make it the way you need to. So the skin tone, and then hair color. What okay, Control Z saves the day. And tattoo. And the tattoo color, and I think that one, I think it's too big. Let me play with them. 1 2 3 4 5 6. One is missing. Which one is missing? 2 3 4. Oh no, there are 7 of them. Okay. And yeah, something like that, I guess. Okay. 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 Not ideal, but formidable. Formidable. It is formidable. Create character should be a little bit higher, but I better do the margin right. And the picker itself could be a little bit lower, and it's aligned by the top left, so there is a chance that for the screen that is less than 1920, it can be not within the screen. Let me check that. Oh, okay. Oh, not okay. So it resizes, but I think yeah, that should be fine. Yeah, that's fine, I guess. Okay, then I had my character. I had these arrows moving my character right and left, just to have a good look at it, at him. Just let me find them. Here it is. I'm going to add button and say with that button I am rotate, change rotation. Yeah, I think the change rotation is right. So transform global rotation add, and let's see what the rotation we need. So we need to move Y, and with the Y, yeah, by 30 should be fine. By 30 should be fine. Oh, let me delete that one, that one, that one, and that one. Row image full. Nope, 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 nope. Yeah, that one. 30. Let me copy it. It could be even a duration, I guess. Copy it and paste it. Oh, oh. I can copy component. And say minus 30. And let's see how it will work. Yeah, kinda works. Kinda works, but you know the that's the consequences of copy pasting. It copy paste all links to all images. The for button doesn't highlight the proper image when it's being set. Yeah, that's the way. That's the way. Don't ask me how to do it when I press that button. I don't know. I mean, when I press and hold it, it's I know it, but it's a little bit more complicated, and I'm an indie developer, and I really don't want to waste my time on this. At least today. Maybe when I make full version with no I mean when I make full version with no that early stuff things, then I think I will make and female characters, and all buttons will work perfectly. So okay, here we have our initial panel, and then I need to do the next panel. Okay, that's the footer panel. Initial, yes, then here I have additional panel. So if character is male, I don't need it because it will be only male. So my second and last panel will be about classes, and so the knight description, the rogue, and the mage description. Okay. I don't know if I want to do it the same way I did it before, but for the sake of speed I will just recreate that one. So I need here some kind of a sprite with black splash. Let me see if I have it. Actually, that one is good, but there are a lot of splashes here. What to do? What to do? Okay, that's fine. For now, it should be fine. Ignite description, and I need to add text here. And the text should be tricky. Let's see how it will work. No, that is not displayed properly. So let's delete that all and add new. Do I actually have it here? UI? Yeah, Text Mesh Pro. Okay, good. Okay, good. Same here, same here. So understand. And it's aligned by the center. I don't like it. Let's it be for that. Lorem ipsum dolor sir amet le condictus bene and other stuff. I need it made by 30 and something like this, and have bonuses like here so that I have more place in the future. And the bonuses for Ignite will be so it will be a Soulslike roguelike, but at the start the player should have some kind of weapons, and it's really hard to make him find them when everything is procedurally generated. So I'm going to have these starting characters, starting classes, and later in the game within the hub you will be able to change them into other classes. And actually if I give very small bonuses like +5 strength or just a little bit items, I'm actually able to create a lot more classes than this. Let's see, Liberation Suns, but they are different. Visually, they are different. For some reason, I don't know. I can do that way. Okay. Delete, copy. Rogue description and mage description, and for the mage I have mage rope and acolyte stuff. Okay. Rogue description and the mage description. Okay. Disable. Then I have 3 buttons here that are under horizontal layout group. That's actually good. Can I bulk delete them? No, I cannot bulk delete them. Let me clean it first. And that one. Give me time. Okay, and for the hider, same stuff. I don't know if it's if this is right, but I love to do that kind of stuff. I love to make actions, and each time I need to highlight something, I'm creating a set of actions that hides everything. And when I press on the button, it should be button. When I press on the button, let me see. It shouldn't be selected, interactable or selectable. I don't know. So first I run actions to hide everything, and then I run actions to show, to set active the things that I actually need, and it should be ignite. Oh no, I know, and it should be, for the God's sake, it should be ignite description. And yeah, better to add it like it. Actions. Set actions hider. Then set active rogue description, and then also button. Actions hider, and set active mage description. Okay, kinda okay. And now I need to make the shift between the first and the second. So the Pika class should be disabled, initial pickle should be enabled. In the footer panel, we have next and the back button. Remove, and remove that one, I guess. Okay, the color is a little bit different. Let's make it black. And we will load the scene. I love to load it by index, and it should be, main menu should be 0 index. Okay, and for the next button, I'm also going to remove, 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 remove. Then I say button, then I say normal color. Then I say on the press, I need to disable the initial picker, enable the pick class, then I disable the then I enable the footer panel and disable that footer panel. Okay, I think that's it. Let me okay, I don't need second footer panel. I need the third one. It also should be placed lower. And I also don't have buttons here. Oh no, I have them. I have them. Okay. So for the back button, I need to add button here. Say it's black color. Then also make a bunch of instructions. So I'm going to set active footer panel 1. I'm going to set active initial picker, and I'm going to deactivate picker class, and I'm going to deactivate footer panel 3. For the footer panel 3, I need a trigger, I guess. And on that trigger, let's see, set active. So on enable. Oh my gosh, I can specify what should be enabled. Okay, we will do it the bad way. It's not a big deal. It's just won't be beautiful. So when I'm picking a class on any button, I will be setting active the finish button. Setting active the finish button and setting active the finish button. So you see, 10 seconds and you don't have to think how to make it beautifully. You can just rely on that some more operations, a little bit more operations. And on the finish button, oh my gosh, we actually need to do a lot of things for the finish button. Okay, remove and then add the button, and the finish button should be okay, I guess, again black. And on the finish we will be loading scene. Let me see, the build settings, what scene we should load. Transition example, I guess video intro, it's number 4. that's not only not the only thing we're going to make here. Okay, I'm disabling the finish button, I'm disabling the footer panel, I'm enabling the first footer panel, and let's see what will happen. Next, knight, rogue, mage, finish. Next. Yeah, that's it. And now we need to make it actually work. Oh, I'm so lazy. It's Sunday. I don't want to work really. What we have a dream. We have a dream. And that's why we are making all of this to ourselves. Okay, face, hair, eyebrows, beard, skin tone, hair color, and tattoo color. Let's start from the top, the face. Let me just save it. For the face, on each right or left buttons, I need to cycle the face that is available. How to do that? First, let's find the faces. Faces. I guess that one. Yeah. Here are the faces. Male had all elements. I need to have local list variable at first with all of them, I guess. Yeah. I have a local list variable with all of them, and it should be game object. There are 23 of them, so we need them till the number 22, because we have a 0 position, because we have index here, and the index here should be, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, good. So we have a list variables with all of our game objects. Oh, I can bulk expand them. No, not expand them, just collapse. But that's a cool feature. And then I think I need a local name variable. Named face index, and it should be a number. And that number should be saved, and I should have the trigger. um, that on the start of the scene loops the list with oh, you actually can have actions here too, with target, with deactivating the target. And then setting active and then setting active from the local list variable by index, and the index should be taken from the local name variable named face index. So what I did now, I'm going to wait a second. So the idea is that I have a lot of all of them here, and when my face index is changed, I'm going to also change the displayable head here, and then when I go from this scene, this index will be saved, and in my next scene, or when you load the game, you're on the start game on the start will display the right face according to the set variable, because it will loop everything from that list to make it disabled, and then it will activate the needed part by the index that is taken from the saved variable. So that's the way it works. And I actually can have one more trigger. Did something wrong here? Sorry. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. I needed here local list variable. That one. It should be value active, and element should be taken by index, and the index should be taken from variable local name variable of the same game object named face index. Yeah, that's good. Oh, I can't have it here. I can't have it here. Let's try to have it here. Hopefully it will work. So on variable change, local name variable change in name face index, I'm going to run actions from the same No, I can't run actions from the same. Maybe I can activate trigger. But I have two triggers here, so that won't work. Okay, so I have trigger, I have actions, and probably I don't need to have anything else under my player main prefab. Let's see. Let's go to 2D and go to initial picker, and then then it should be 0. And let's see what we can do here. So let's add the button, and let's add the button. Okay, so on the click, I need to change a local name variable. Let's do it that way, okay. I need to find my face. Face index. Should be same. Minus 1. Oh, I can do it -1. I can't do it -1. Oh, let's do it. Let's do it and let's see what will happen. Oh, here will be 1 actually, and here will be -1. I can even do it that way. Oh, -1. 1. 1. And then each time I do that, I need to run the trigger from the same game object. Let's see if it works. And oh yeah, and then I need to set text from the will it work? It should be equal that same local var mail variable, and mail head all elements. Oh no, text display face taken from the mail head elements, face index. Okay, And fingers crossed. You know what? It works from the first try. But we partly works. we mm, it's not uh, making it back, and it's not making it forward much. So I mean, it doesn't have the limit of going forward. Let's see what we can do. At first, here. Oh, that's why. That's why. That's why. That's why. That's why. Um. Um. Okay, that's issue. That issue is fixed. That's good. Let me see what we can do with our other issue. So what's happening is that our face index can be higher or lower than these parameters, than index in the local list variable, and that's a problem. The one way to solve it is to limit the face index when we try to make it higher or lower. We can add a condition, and I think it is the only way. Yeah, I don't know the other way. Let's do it. So what I'm going to do, changing faces and hair will be exclusive to that screen, therefore I can leave all these settings on that screen. It's not a real problem. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to make conditions, and as well as here. Oh no, I can probably. So, and here I need to add checking these conditions. Oh, that's actually great. I can have them on the same page. Yeah. Yeah, I can check conditions here. Usually it should prevent per integer or decimal. It should be integer. There's no way it can be decimal. Number. Okay. Number. Do we have number here? Absolutely not. Absolute number. Okay, let's say decimal. Or variable. Yeah, local name variable of the face index equals less or equal let's say greater or equal, or let's say just greater. So if it's greater than 0, it will run all these actions. If it is lower, let me copy and okay. Yeah, that's stuff. That's one. Here it is. And again, less or equal 23. I guess it should be 23. And it starts with 0. It's very important. Let's save it and let's see if it works. Doesn't. Yeah. You see? 24. Why 24? It should be 23. Right button 23. It should be 22. Let's say 22. Okay. Oh yeah, because the initial asset also have index 0 included. Okay, now we have a problem on the 26th. Let's say 21. I don't know why, and I really don't know the answer. Don't want to know the answer to that question. It just works. And yeah, here it is, the last one. Is it actually changed anything? I mean, is the 22 is any different from others? Oh, there is some small tattoo here. Whew, so here are the faces. The face is working. Great. And now we have to repeat the same for everything else we have in our character. Let's do that. A hair. We now, the good things that we now know how to do it actually. The bad things is that it will be kind of hard to copy paste everything. But let's do that anyway. Oh my gosh, hair. And I also need to remove. Oh yeah, that's remove, and local name variables. I mean local list variables, and then local name variables, and then trigger, and then actions, and that's probably it. Then we need to say that it should be the game object, and the game object should be 39 of them. It should be 39 of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19, 18. I mean, not 19, 20, 21, 22, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. hair hair. Yeah, that's how it's done. The beauty of it is that when I will be disabling any hair prefab to be able to put on a helm, I don't need to disable the prefab of the exact hair attached. I will be just disabling the parent object of all hair. So by doing all of this, I know that it will fit to the system I built, and it will fit to the systems I want to build, and I am already thinking about the proper saving of this parameter and the proper way to invoke that saved value at the beginning of the scene. How it is possible? I need one more. 38. Okay. Hair index, and the hair index should be the number, and we should start from the 0, of course. Okay, let's see what we have here. Let's probably oh, there is one problem here, that the hair starts from the 1, not from the 0. Therefore, I'm going to create the 0, 0 part with a just disabled mesh renderer, and otherwise it probably won't work properly. I mean, I obviously want to make my player be able to make himself bald, or bald, how to say that in English, I don't know. Torso male, facial is sorry, it's facial here. It's upper, it's somewhere here. Yeah, that's it. Oh my. Oh, that's simpler than I thought. Yeah, that's it. And really, it's kind of hard to to copy paste anything. Let's see the most. So loop target. Okay. And for the hair, I need to loop list using the same actions, and using the same list, and the actions should be set active, meaning set target not active, and that I should, from the local list variable, by the index of the local name variable that one, I should change from the face index to hair index, And I need to index, yeah, checkbox here, hair index. Yeah, that should work. That's the same system we implemented before. We have two left. Brace myself. I have two left. So 50% of the work is done. Not actually 50. Okay, list variables, name variables, then trigger, then actions. Under the actions, set active. My god, set attribute. What I'm doing? Set active. Of target deactivate. Oh my god, I forgot that completely. Here I have the wrong trigger here. I need to on local name variable change. Of that game object hair index. Yeah, that should work. So here I'm going to do the same, where it is. Eyebrows. Name, local name variable change any male. Need to actually add a variable. Let's say eyebrow index, because it's not eyes, it's eyebrow. It's very important. No, it's actually kind of important, because otherwise you can forget in the future what the variable you named doing with when it's not named properly. Can we make a character without brows, actually? That's creepy. Yeah, we can. We definitely can. I want to do that. 0, 0 with a disabled skin mesh renderer. And it should be the game object, and there should be 11 of them. 2, 3, 4. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 10. Okay. Eyebrow check, list variable check, trigger check. I just need this couple of more commands and loop variables. The loop list, and the list should be the same, the actions should be the same, because here they are. And a variable local list, face index, eyebrow index should be. And let's see if I eyebrow index. Yeah, should be fine. Facial hair is the only left. Local name, local list, then local name, then trigger, and then actions. And let's see. Again, facial. What the hell? We definitely want to have facial hair empty. Yep, that's it. Then 19 of them. Okay, 19 it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my god. 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, that's really how the games are being done. The real stuff, the real work. Imagine if you know how to code it, you will actually will try to implement a fancy script for that to some kind of group it, or you will do the same by just copy pasting, you know. There's probably a way to do it with more with a better approach, but you know, it's not the server, it's not the rocket science, it's not the graphics. It's just a simple simple script. It should not damage our processing power drastically. Should not take the processing power. So let's say beard index. Let's make it number. Okay. Name variable change specific of that beard index. Active set active target. Copy that and a loop. I said loop and that one, and we'll loop in that list with the same actions, and then same instance, same with beard index, with the correct beard index. Okay, let's save that. One more thing that we need to make it saved. 1, 2, there should be 3 somewhere. Eyebrows, facial hair, facial hair, hair, and something else. So hair, face itself. So we have hair, we have face, we have eyebrows, yeah, they're also saved, and we have facial hair also saved. Good. That's it for these controls. Let's go back and actually set them up. And where they are. something like this. Yep. Display. Mhm. Okay. And 0, 0, and 0. Okay. Let's see, we have here buttons. So painful. Let's probably copy component and oh, that's material. So here paste component as new, and target graphic should be that one, and you know, it kind of works. So I'm going to do the same for another button. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It saves in the buffer. Okay. 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 So it's really will be the same. I'm going to just check this one because my wife should be home soon and I won't be able to continue making the video. So what we need to do is we need to set it up. So for example, for hair, we need to go back to hair and change all this to the hair. Then we need to trigger the same trigger from hair. Just do it to hair. And the text should be different, so it should be display hair. And for others, it should be pretty the same. And it's also about hair. 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 Okay. Hair index. Hair index. Hair index. Conditions also should be right. Hair. Let's see how many we have here. 38 or 39. So it should be 39, I guess. Or let's say 38 for now. And for the left button, it should be 0. Yeah, let's see how it works. Okay. display hair, display hair. Okay. Okay, good. A little change here is needed. I need to specify that button here. So that's how it's done. Skin tone, hair color, and the tattoo color are pretty tricky, but not a rocket science also. So for this stuff, for example, let's say I have the torso of the male. I have the material, and I need to create a new material here and name it, for example, Fantasy Hero Nude, because he is like nude. And then I want to have that material to be attached to any game object that includes that one, hips, that one, so again that, hips, left hand, right hand, that one, also facial here, of course, eyebrows, of course, head no element, skip head, of course, yes, and I need to change hair. Yeah, I think that's it. Items should not, as far as I remember, they are not changing. They don't have skin in their prefabs. So good. Back to 2D and skin tone. So with this, we need to add button, and that button should change material color. Oh my god. Let's see if I can change the material of that one. And the property of the material should be color skin. Yeah, it should be color skin. Let's see what will happen. Okay, let's say not color skin. Let's say just skin. But it definitely has that property. But for some reason it doesn't touch it. Let's go another way. Let's invoke method. Can I do? Oh, yes. Let's see what we have here. Oh, what a shame. Nope. I can't go via invoke methods. Let's see what we have. What other options we have? Renderer, change material float, change material texture. But we actually we need color. We need color, and that's a shame. Physics transforms variables, perception. We actually can change the material to different with the color we need, but it could be too hard. So color primary, color. That's how it's done. Okay, that's how it's done. Of course I have license. Okay. Skin tone. Oh my gosh. Let's make it that way. I misspelled that. Okay, it changed it, but it changed only the instantiated material. Let's see, can we... Doesn't have... No, it doesn't have trigger. Should be tricky. Let me think. What I do want to have different skin tones, and I can specify it via the local variables. Let's say all gender parts, create empty. Oh, no, not here. Here, all gender parts. Create empty color control. And I need to have 15. No, I need to have 3 variables with 5 possible values of them according to each skin or beard color I want to give to my character. And let's see, I want them to be stored and saved, and I want them to be invoked on the start with the right settings, and I want them to invoke on every component that is attached, including all the hair. Yeah, so you know what, let's save this one, let's close this one. No, cancel. And let's see how I did that in my previous project. Should take some time. It's a very huge project because I added like everything to it, all my packages, and I have a lot of packages with very good quality sounds. Therefore, it's like compiling. It's compiling too long usually. Yeah, I even have an amplify shader editor that I don't use here. That's crazy. See, daemon source main scenes and final scenes and the real new game. Set the real new game. Okay. And for the real new game, I have, let's go to 2D. I had the same settings somewhere. Yeah, for example, hair color. Let's see. Initial picker, skin tone, button. Okay. So it uses actions. It uses actions. It uses actions that are actually a Cinti character specific actions. Let's see. I probably can find them somewhere here. But I don't know where I put them. Probably into plugins. Or let's check models or the import. No, let's check models. They should be somewhere. And they definitely named like Cinti character set gender, so let's probably search by. Oh yeah, that's it. And that one. Cool. Я ще годинку попрацюю, добре? Просто как раз пишу видео. Как раз пишу видео. Okay, that sets the gender. And we need to set the material color. And namespace. It refers to the Cintiq game creator character's namespace. I won't be able to recreate it within the game creator too, so I can just steal the code from that project. What to do? There is one solution, but very bulky and completely not beautiful. But that's how you usually work with no-code instruments. So if I use my skin tone controller to specify all skin tones within the scene of all game objects, I can make this one skin nude, then hair, or do I need it? Actually, yeah, I need it because I won't have all other combinations. And I need tattoo. And then for my color control, I want to have name variables skin tone, hair color, to color, tattoo color. And on the start, I mean trigger, this should be saved. And on the start, I need to run the set of conditions. Run of set of conditions. So I have to create them. So skin conditions, and let's start with the skin conditions. If variable, let's say integer, compare integer, they are they should be integers of so we are comparing that one, let's say skin tone with 0, and if it is working, if then material, let me change the material color of the bunch of all things. I will set them up later, and I need to duplicate that branch to the 5 possible colors I can do. So 1, so 2, so 3, so 4. And here we will be changing all the colors on the all object at the just at the beginning of the scene, and when we'll be skin toning it, we will just first change skin tone here, and then force run this trigger, and it will change it for us. So something like this. Let's say hair count tattoo count. Yeah. So here is tattoo color. And I have a crash. Let's see how much we lost. It's very good that I saved the project. Okay. That runs, so nothing is really damaged. We can return to our work. Just a shame that we have just lost it. Okay, local name variables again. What is skin color? And it should be the number. Hair color. Tattoo color. Then trigger on start run conditions. Then create these conditions. If so, I'm checking the skin. So the number compare integer of the local name variable color control skin color equals 0. Then we will be changing material color. And I don't need a lot of materials actually here. I just need one. Yeah, that should work with just one material. I can even delete two ones. Yeah, let's do that. Hair, and then oh no, I need more branches. And branch, and branch, and branch, and add the branch. This one is with skin color. I'm going to save it. And skin color, check skin. Oh no. On the color control. I'm checking skin color. Yeah. So on the color control, on the color control, on the color control, and on the color control. And on the color, so wait a second, one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 of them. And here should be 0, here should be 1, here should be 2, here should be 3, here should be 4, and no more. Then I'm saving it again just in case. Then I'm duplicating it and duplicating it and changing the skin to the hair and changing the skin to the tattoo. And then hair color, hair color, hair color, hair color, hair color. And here tattoo color, tattoo color, tattoo color, and tattoo color, and the last branch, the tattoo color. Okay, good. Now I need to specify these colors. Let's duplicate this instructions. Check skin, check hair, check tattoo, and then should be saved. Okay. Okay, let's see what do we have here. We have our torso male with fantasy hero skin nude, and let's pick the colors we want. So the first skin tone is going to be FFCCAE, and so it should be here as the first one. Color skin. Okay, and the object, of course, should be the torso of our male. Okay, good. Then I'm going to go to the canvas, and for initial picker, skin tone, hair color, just to make it right. I'm going to have it here, like the skin color. Let's say the pressed color to be just more darker. And the selected color to be the same. Okay, good. And that should change just should set the number of the local name variable of color control to skin color. To integer 0. Yeah, and and then it triggers. It runs the trigger of color control. Yeah, something that is something like this. Let's see what other skin colors we can do. Definitely not. Definitely not. So we probably should stay in the same tone. so that it will be more humanoid-like. Let's see what we have here. So we have a pretty white guy. We can make it whiter or more yellowish. I think this one is fine. Let me oh my god. Let me specify it here. I'm just saving it, like, for the future. Okay. Actually, why? Yeah, I really can do that. I really can do that. I can delete this and duplicate this. Yeah, that's cool. And okay, more colors. Let's say I was white. We can make him brown like that. Let's see. Oh no. Так, let's see. And the darker skin, I guess. I guess it should be fine. Let's see if we can do one more. Why not? No, it's not realistic, and I don't want to do a little bit more work that I need to do. I think this range should be fine. What's the stubble is for? Oh, okay. Can I make it the same? Yeah, but better to not. Okay. I think that's it. Let's just copy and paste it into the more, let's say pressed color, but make it more, and the selected color like this one. Okay, and then for just the UI perspective, pressed color a little bit darker, and the selected color, and the last one for the pressed color we're going to make it a little bit colorful, and that will be it. And now I need to make that skin color to be applied to everything. So I already have that control. Oh, I have it saved actually. That's good. And let's see. I need all. Okay. So I'm going to lock it. And let's start from the head male. Yeah, let's start from the head male. No eyebrow, no facial hair, then torso, then arm, then I think I can make a variable of color. Can I make a variable of color? Let's see. Oh yeah, I can. I definitely can. Okay, that should be a little bit simpler. Let's try to do it. I'm going to save it and change that variable to color, and the color should be I need to specify the code. What are you doing, guys? Oh my god. Okay, let's go that way. 255 204 174. 255 204 174. No? Not that one? 204. 204. Is it also RGB? FFCC Okay, that one. And okay. Let's start from the beginning. So head. So no facial hair, no eyebrows. So torso. So arm. So arm left. So arm right. So arm lower left. Upper left, lower, upper right, upper left, lower right, Lower left, good. Let's see if I have lower right. Lower right, I do have. Yeah, I have. Lower left, yeah, I have. Hand right, good. And hand left, good. Hips, of course, it's always about hips. Hips, as they say, hips don't lie. Leg left, male. And leg right, male. Okay. And then I need to save it, just in case. And say I need skin color variable. No, not check skit. I need color control. I need color control. I need color control. I need color control. More. And more. And that's it. And now we should change all our colors accordingly to the local name variable here, but I now have kind of bad solution with the conditions. Let's leave it empty for now and say and specify these buttons. So what do I want to do now is to set color of the local name variable of color control to color Z1 and then run color control trigger. The same thing should be performed with this one, but with a different color. And so we should also use color control, skin control. We need to pick that color and make it here. And then we want to run the same trigger. Let's check if we have it specified here. Good. I'm now going to save it and check. And that works. And that works. And it will be saved. What a beautiful story. You know what? Maybe... Mm, mm, okay, good. I'm now changing the camera position to make it more... Wait, what did I actually moved? Have I moved the player? Oh, field of view, yeah. Field of view. 30. 30 should be fine. Okay, good. And now we have our colors changed. So same thing should work with hair color and tattoo color. I'm going to make it not now. And let's see what will happen when we pick Knight, Rogue or Mage. That will be our final thing for today, because anything else will be just copy pasting. I'm now concentrated on only implementing the new logic. And let's see with the picker class. So what I need to do is that I need my player to have 3 armor sets, and it should be soldier armor, rogue armor. Where it is? Where is it? Thief armor. Okay, thief armor, and major major robes. I don't have major robes. Sorry. Let it be soldier armor for now. And let's see. Interesting. I hope that my stock is being saved, because I don't have the same save feature here. And when you pick a class with some kind of a button, I say command equip item to the player of soldier armor. Thief armor. Or yeah, again, soldier armor. Let it be soldier armor again. And when I will be finishing my scene, before I finish, I need to run checks on what description actually, on what option now is actually available, and this, depending on that description, I'm going to do some stuff. So let it be conditions, I guess. Yeah, conditions. So I'm going to run conditions. And wait until they are finished. Let's see. Is game object active? For example, knight description, and I can add branch with the same condition but rogue, and the same branch for the mage. And so if knight is active, is knight is enabled, then we're going to change attribute, I mean stat. Stat at 5. Same for agility. Same for the intellect. Then I assume that with the with buttons we already equipped the item we needed. Therefore, we can remove items. Remove item of, for example, thief armor here, and here item of the soldier armor here, and here we now just have nothing to remove yet, or yeah, we can remove rock armor. And we can add a sword. For example, for player it will be soldier sword. For rogue it will be The rapier. I don't have it. Let's give him great sword for now. I don't have rapier now. Yeah, something like this. I just hope that equipment is being saved. Yeah, because the bag is here. It should be saved. Oh, we can actually have, yeah. Save alone, rememberer. And we can have rememberer of the back. So yeah, that now it will be saved. And I need to apply these changes. Apply all. And now we have our one more moment. Display eyebrow. Display beard. And for the display beard, let's see. Face index, face index. We don't. Yeah, we need to respecify it. So hair and here should be eyebrows. Eyebrows index, eyebrows index. Eyebrows index. Whew. So we have here everything about eyebrows, I guess. And that one. Here I need to do the same. Eyebrows, 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 eyebrows. Okay. And here it should be about the beard. And the beard is the facial hair. Facial hair. Okay. Beard. And the right button should be also about the beard. Yeah, that's it. Then let's see how many beard we have here. So let's say 18. For the eyebrows it should be 9 or 10. And for the hair it should be 13. Oh yeah, I haven't done this previously. I had only 2 worked properly at the beginning. What's wrong with it? Display beard from the facial hair face index. Oh, okay. Because it should be beard index, not the face index. It can't find the variable. Let's see. So yeah, we now have everything working properly. We have the rotator. We have brow manipulator. That should be fixed. Okay. We have skin changer. And for the rogue and the knight, we have our equipment changed. So let me just quickly fix. So here should be one less, and here should be the right eyebrow index. Beard index. Yeah, and for the beard it should be one less, and it should have the right assignments. Yep. Let's see. Okay, beard is fixed. I need to fix eyebrows. Let's see, 9 here. And for the left button, it should be eyebrow index changer to the -1. Yeah, that works. Oh, you see, my skin doesn't change the color of the face. I change on only the first face, I guess. Yeah. So for the skin changer, we need to do one more thing. Is to find all our heads, all of the 22 of them. We can remove these branches, thankfully. But we have to add a lot more. So it should be 23 of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12. Yeah, should be enough. And male 1 and male 2 and male 3 and male 4, male 5. Actually, I think I can optimize it, but for me it's a little bit faster to not to do that right now. As I said again, it's not much of computing power needed to do this, and that's not a functionality that can affect other functionality. For example, for the inventory system or melee system, I won't do things like that. It should be implemented perfectly to work perfectly. But here we can do some, long stuff. That's not a huge problem actually. And 20, I guess 20. Oh, no. 11. I mean 18. Why the hell you? Yeah, I'm making all of this just to make the video at the end, and just to say, if you want to do it, if you want to know how I done it, then you will have all the videos like aligned in a proper order. So I think that should be fine. Let's save it. Let's change skin color. Something wrong happened. Let's see the reason. Oh, because we actually need to specify the color. Oh my god. So just same actions again. And the last one. Yeah, now it should be fine. Okay. And now it works. It works with all the faces we have already implemented, and it changes them all, and they will be saved in our rogue or knight or anyone you want to use will be properly displayed with the proper faces. And let me see if I finished. Yeah, I even have some video intro loaded properly. That's all for the character creator for now. I'm going to eat and implement skin tone, hair color, and tattoo color change. I will probably also change the character creation system, not today. And then I think I will work on the skills and on the destructible objects. So thank you very much. I'm sorry that that video took so long, but I'm going to upload it anyway, because if I not upload it, I will not be so productive next time. So making video for me is a way to make things not only fast, yeah, it's just a way for me to make things fast. And that's all. I know that it's will be kind of hard to watch, so I'm sorry. But if you really want to make the game, I think you will watch it if you have questions. So have a nice day. Bye.